Don't do multiplication. I know multiplication. Just Mushfira.
Good morning. Good morning, Khadija.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Zainab. How are you? How have you been? Good?
Yes.
Great, very good. How are you, Khadija?
I'm fine.
Very good. Where is Ali? He was just speaking.
Mushfira is troubling me. See, I have like 7, 8. Yeah, ma'am.
You paid it. Where is rest of the people?
I don't know. I think there is holiday.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's Tuesday. It's not holiday.
It's Tuesday today. How it can be off? Everybody seen their marks?
Yes. Yes.
Zainab, how much you got?
22. Yes, ma'am. I've seen my marks, ma'am. I've got 23.
Yes, Khadija, how much you got?
23.
And Zainab, how much you got? Very good, Khadija. Your marks is really nice.
I got 25.
I think you got 20. I do remember your marks. 1 minute, I'll tell you. Zainab got 23. Khadija also got 23. Very good, both of you. Where is Musfira Rizwani? Good morning, Rizwani. Oh, Musfira Sayyed is here. I thought Musfira Rizwani came. Good morning, Musfira.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine.
Have you seen your marks?
In the WhatsApp, right?
Yes.
I got 25, right? No. Wait.
Yes, you done great.
I got 25.
Yes, you got 25. You did great, huh?
In science, I got 20.
Which subject you didn't like?
On science also, I got 25.
Acha, tell me which subject you don't like.
I don't like maths, but
Acha, you don't like math, but you got 25. Wow. Zainab, which subject you don't like?
I like all the subjects. But
You
I
like
don't
all
like
the
Hindi and
subjects.
Marathi. I don't like Hindi.
Zainab, do you have your paper with you?
wait, I don't. I like math. I don't.
Maths exam do you have? You remember na? Where have you written those? Khadija, where have you written the exams? Do you know that?
Yes. Yes. Found it.
Wow.
I don't know English and art. Ma'am.
Yes. Zainab, till then I'll not teaching you. Till then आप एक बार अपना टेस्ट रिवाइज करो. देखो आपने क्या गलत किया था. What was your mistake? I think you can get 25 easily because you're really smart. Khadija, have you seen your test? Where have you done wrong? Where went you wrong? Every student has done great. All the students are so smart and brainy. Just like Khadija and Zanab, they are brainy. Yes, check your test, revise your test. Revise your FA once again. See where have you done, where went you wrong. Khadija, check it now.
You are helping. You are helping everybody.
With whose test I'm helping?
You are solving. You are telling metal maths means metal maths means like he's not straight. He's in another triangle. You are telling. Ma'am, I can't find it. And you are reading also for us. The word problem. Everything is right.
You have done everything right. So where has gone 2 marks? Flying. 2 marks fly just like birds, Khadija.
I don't know which is the wrong.
It's yes, Anna. Which sum was wrong? Where did you get wrong?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll check it. 7 plus 5, 12. 1, 2, 1, 3. I'm not able to see, Khadija. Right. Put it on the left side first. Left. First sum, right. Write this. 7, 10, 1, 7, 4, 7, 6. Oh, right. First question is wrong, Zainab. 7 plus 6 is 13. You have written 31. Oh.
He has written ulta.
You wrote ulta. Ulta pulta. Oh. I think this is the only mistake you have done.
Yeah. That's why
you have ulta. That's why you got 23. Khadija, show me your exam. Where went you wrong? I'll see the paper. If you're done with your eating. Right. Khadija, show left. One. Yes.
Mom, I got confused that I wrote, I was telling this.
Right.
Then
you just got confused.
And then I wrote 31.
Right. Khadija. First question is perfect. Second question. Khadija, I'm not able to see it. Put your copy on the upper side. No. Don't bring it on the camera. Don't bring it in front of the camera. Just keep it away from the camera.
Ma'am, actually,
and pull it up. Khadija, pull it up, baby. Pull it up. Yes. Now I'm. Oh, okay.
Ma'am.
Now, yes.
The exam was coming. I didn't actually memorize all these things.
Yes, you didn't memorize the sum. Else you will definitely know that. Khadija, it's okay. I'll see the paper. Then I'll show. Then I'll tell you where you went wrong. Okay. I'll see your paper today.
I already knew all these songs, so I didn't have to do anything. Ma'am, you're muted.
अच्छा, okay, I'm muted. इतनी देर से I'm continuously talking. I'm continuously talking to you and Zainab. And
Ma'am, again you're muted. You're muted.
continuously speaking, still I'm getting muted again and again. I'm getting muted. That's why Khadija is not able to listen me. I'm continuously speaking to Khadija. Khadija is not able to listen me because I was muted.
Sorry, ma'am.
No, I'm
I
sorry.
heard something very loud.
Yeah, I was muted. I was saying I'll see your paper today, then I'll tell you where you went wrong. Okay?
Ma'am, look at me.
We can repeat. We will repeat. I think I should repeat these questions. Hanna?
I just got confused in my stuff.
Musfira, I'm not able to listen you.
Look at my camera. I'm so close. If you are making this,
मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दिया. Where are the other students? Shall we start the class? Where are the other students? They are not going to join. It's already 10:20. They're already 10:20.
Yes, ma'am. Start the class now, please. Start the class.
Give me a glass of water first. Give me fresh one. Shall we start the class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Zainab, shall we start the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Ali? Oh, Ali, good morning. Where were you?
I am just offing.
You just off your camera and went away to play, right? Or you were eating something. And I know, you're definitely eating something.
No. I'm drinking water.
Okay, you only drinking water since 20 minutes. No. You were playing with your younger brother. I know this thing.
No, my younger
No.
Cool.
You were playing with him. Because
No.
he always came in between the class, so you think I should play with him first.
But he's in school.
Okay, he is in school.
Yes. What about my exam?
Ali, wait 2 minutes.
I made my
Yes,
robot.
Ali.
The homework to make a robot. Exam? Ma'am, I made my robot. The robot. What? Too much time. It's a very easy robot. Very easy robot.
मैं ना उसमें रखूंगी मेकअप वाली में लॉक कर दूंगी. लॉक लगवा दे जान. I think we shall start the class. Ali, you want to discuss with me your exam?
About my exam?
Have you seen your marks?
Yes.
Tell me. What is your marks? I'm not able to see you. Can anybody see Ali's face? I can see your forehead only. I think I should be like this when I want to see you. Now I should be like this, just close to the camera. Okay, now tell. Ali, I think you should put your laptop down to the front of your face. You should relax from the chair and put the laptop. I think we shall start the class. Yes, that is nice. Zainab, shall we start the class?
Yeah.
Khadija, shall we start the class? Keep your phone aside.
Exam.
Yes. Musfira, let's start. Acha, tell me something good.
You have
Tell
not
me.
seen my multiplication. I have not word problem. I think.
You have mistaken in the word problem.
No, you have not seen my word problem.
Acha, I haven't checked your word problem. You mean to say this?
Yes.
Okay, I'll see your paper again today. Don't worry, I'll see your paper again. I'll see your paper again today. Then I'll tell you. Zainab, know her mistake. She has done great, but she has done only ulta. But she has done good mark. Even Khadija, you have done great. I don't know where you went wrong, but you have done fabulous. Okay? Just like you. You have done so beautiful paper, just like you, Khadija. Zainab has also done her paper so well, just like her. Ali, I will see your paper today. I will check your paper today. I have your paper. Then I will check your paper. Then I will show you where you went wrong and what you have done wrong. Okay? Yes. I think Ali, in one of the questions you have done addition or subtraction. In few of the questions you have misconception.
I have done your homework.
Zainab, I'm so proud of you if you have done homework.
I also do like Zainab. I have also write ulta. 31.
See, you one question is same as Zainab you have done like. Ali has also done like you, Zainab. In one question, yes. I think in first question he has also done like you 31 and 13 ulta. Just like you.
17.
Ali, I'll check the paper today. I'll check the paper today only. Then I'll show you your sheet. Then we will discuss it. Okay?
See my homework.
I have the question paper as well. Don't worry. I have the question paper. We can discuss it if you want to discuss it today.
Ma'am, see my homework.
Zainab, very good. I have seen your homework. Acha, tell me what you want to study today. I'm not able to listen you, Musfira. Even I'm not able to see you. I'm just able to see you. Musfira, your voice is not audible. Can anybody listen, Musfira, what she is saying? Zainab, what?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. What did you say? Tell it again. Can you
Can you play a video? Which video?
Any.
Acha, any video. Why so? Why you don't want to study today? I know. You want to play in maths class today.
I'm just telling. We will watch a video on multiplication. Then we will study.
Acha, okay. Don't worry. We'll do it tomorrow then. We'll do it tomorrow. Today, shall we repeat multiplication or we start the new topic? New topic, this one, multiplication, this one.
New topic.
Khadija, what do you want? New topic or multiplication?
I was.
This one, this one. Up and down.
New topic. What is up and what is down?
Up means above, above, and down means below. Up means upar, down means niche.
Okay.
Okay, Khadija, did you get it? Musfira, we are not able to listen you. I think you should put the plug. You should plug your earphones.
Musra Sayyad is telling she's new topic. New topic. New topic.
Okay. What Zainab? What she was telling?
She was telling she wanted to know what is this.
Yeah, I was telling you, na. This means thumbs up. The thumb, which is positioning towards up. It means upper, and thumbs, which shows this sign, which
like
means
this.
down, which is thumb down.
Khatija, do like this.
Right.
Khatija, do like this.
Khadija.
Yes. Do like this. What?
Do like this. This, Khadija, this. And this. Put your hand like this. Yes.
No, we will not do multiplication.
We will not do multiplication. She is doing this only. We are not doing multiplication. Okay. We are doing adding. We are doing adding.
Already know. Hello, ma'am.
No. We are doing perimeter, which is done by adding. Yes.
Can you hear me?
Hello. Yes, I can hear you. Hello, Musfira. Hello. Yes. Hello, Musfira.
What option is this and what option is this? She means
She totally understood it now. She totally understood. Let's start the new topic then.
Yahoo! Ashla ma'am, what's the new topic?
The new topic is perimeter.
What's a perimeter?
I'll tell you what is the perimeter.
Will make. Ma'am, I cannot see it properly. Just pin her. Pin. Ma'am, I cannot see. Ma'am, I cannot see the light.
1 minute. Wait for a while. Can anybody see? Right?
Can see very Musfira. Very Musfira Sayyad. No, very Musfira Sayyad and Peri Khatija.
Peri Khadija, Peri Musfira, Peri Zainab, Peri Ashla, and Peri Ali.
No.
Okay. Now mute your mics.
Okay. Put your mouth and then keep
Ali, mute mic.
and mute. Is muting. Mute Ali.
Okay, everybody has muted. Okay. Now listen to me. There is a box. This is a box. Acha, listen. It is a box, right? Acha, listen. When I give you one, do you have your pencil box? Yes, yes. Show it to everybody. Show it to everybody.
What, ma'am? What you say?
I said, do you have your pencil box just like Zainab is having? There is a box which contains your pencils, erasers, rubbers, sharpener, scale. That is known as pencil box, just like a Zainab has. Where are the other people gone to bring out the pencil box? See, Ali, see, look at you. You're yawning. Oh, class is quite boring.
Ma'am, I do not know it's my pencil box. I have.
Who doesn't know? Oh, just like Musfira is having. Open it, Musfira. Zainab, open it. Yes, see Khadija. Where is Khadija? She's lost. Khadija, you have pouch. Yes, just like this one. If you have a color box, it's okay. If I ask you what is the length of this? कितना लंबा है ये? आपको पता है कितना लंबा है ये? आपको पता है? Ali, what is your height?
Find it right now. Just I can with my hand.
You can check with your hand. It is one hand long. It is two hands long. Right? Khadija, are you getting it? Check it. Everybody check it with your hand. How many hands it is long?
I am 10. I am
Ali,
10.
Ali. You are 10 and your height is, check it with your, like this.
Finger.
Yes,
one.
Hand.
Two.
Two.
Hand.
This is one hand long, right? But can you tell me exact? This is 3 meters. This is centimeter. Can you tell me that? Can you tell me? No. Nobody can tell me. See, just like this is a box. See, just like this is a box. I'll tell you this is 6 centimeter. This is 4. This is 4 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. Now what is the length of this box? कितना लंबा है ये box? We will plus 6 plus 4 plus 4. We will add all this 6. We will add all this 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. And it is 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 20 centimeter. 8.5 it can also be. Can you, is it easy? Is it easy? I'll show you another questions. Shall I rub this?
Yes.
You want to note it on your notebook? Musfira Sayyad, please mute your mic.
I don't want to know.
Who is teaching on the other side? Please mute the mic. Till the voice is echoing. Whose mic is not muted? I think Zainab, your mic is not muted. Please mute your mic.
It's 8.5.
Musfira, mute your mic. Right, your other teacher is also teaching. Acha, tell me. Khadija, did you get it? Khadija? Easy peasy? I'll do the other questions as well. Okay, Zainab, did you get it? Okay, I'll show you another
But
one.
ma'am, how I will do my centimeter? How I will know my centimeter? How I am?
Your height?
Yes.
Yes, with an inch tape. With an inch tape which measures the height. I think your mama will definitely have that.
Ma'am, I have no. But
Okay, I'll show you another thing.
how?
What is it called? Anybody know what is it called?
Amoeba. It is a triangle, ma'am.
Anybody know this? Yes, this is 2 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. Now I have to find perimeter. What is perimeter? 2 plus 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3 plus 2. There are 1 side, 2 side, 3 side. We will add the 3 sides. 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 7 centimeter.
Ma'am, but how we will know this size is 2 centimeter?
I will always give you 2, 3, 2. Every side, every length is different. Every length of a triangle is different. Now I'm giving you this triangle. See, this triangle is big, so I give you 4, 3. This is also 4, and this is 3. Can you do it now?
Yes.
Zainab, can you do it? This is 4, 1 side, 2 side, 3 side. 4 plus 3 plus 4. It means perimeter is sum of all sides.
This chapter will over, then we will learn about coordinates.
We will learn, yes, then this chapter will done. We will go into whatever you want to.
Okay.
Okay, tell me 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4 is 11. Easy? Zainab, did you get it? No? Okay. Khadija, you're not looking at the board.
What?
You're not looking at the board. Where are you looking at? Whom you're finding? Did you get it? Yes,
Yes,
or yeah,
ma'am.
this or this? This?
Ma'am, I got it a little bit.
Okay, don't worry. When you got a little bit, I'll teach you more of it. Then we will get all of these. Okay? Ali, stop rolling on your chair. Stop rolling on your chair. When you are studying, just focus. Musfira Sayyad, at that only day I was telling, while I am speaking, don't speak in between. When I'm done with the thing, then speak, so that I will be able to listen. If you will speak, I will speak. Both words are going to be mixed up like a sabji. Right? Right? Yes, now speak. Speak. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Yeah,
Easy peasy. I will always give you whatever the things are. I will always give you these lengths. Okay? And you have to add up it all.
I thought you would not give the length of the triangle.
No, I will always give you the length of this.
Yeah, but when you grow up, you need to do.
When you grow up, you will check it with the scales. You know the measuring scale? You have your scale?
Yeah, I have.
Yes. Okay. Now Zainab, again I'm teaching you again. Okay? Again I'm teaching you. Khadija, everybody mute your mics now. Only Khadija and Zainab will answer. Excuse me. Okay? Mute. Who's not muted?
Ma'am, there was some problem. I was solving it. I couldn't.
It's okay. It's okay. Where is Ali? Ask Ali to mute his mic as well. Khadija and Zainab, look at the board. Khadija, I don't want you to look here and there. Just look at the front, so that you will be able to grasp it. Okay?
A lot of noise.
Yes, actually, there is lot of noise. Whom I'm also listening. Where is Ali? Ali has muted. Okay, thank you for muting Ali. Now, Zainab, look at the board, and Khadija, don't look here and there. I'm looking at you constantly. You are looking here and there. I think Mumma is cooking something to you, and you're not able to eating it. Right?
I only mute me.
Right?
Me.
Ali, mute your mic. Okay. Keep quiet for a while and mute your mic. Because you're never taking interest in maths class. I'm going to talk to your mother today. I'm going to message her today that Ali never takes interest in maths class. I'm going to complain this. Look at Ali. Is Ali listening to me? Khadija, is he listening to me? Is he doing math sums?
He's still spinning on his chair.
Yes, he's still spinning his chair again and again, and he never does his maths work in the class. I'm going to complain today to his mother. Khadija, Zainab, can you see Ali is studying? Is Ali studying? No? Ali is not studying. Musfira, is Ali studying?
No.
No. Okay, I will talk to his mother today. He never takes interest. He never notices whatever I'm writing on the board. He never write it down in his note. Yes. See, look at him now. He's studying. Let's start. Khadija, Zainab, look at the board. I am giving you the box. This is Khadija's. This is Khadija's color box. Okay, Khadija? Okay, Khadija, this is your color box. Can you see it?
I cannot see my name properly.
It's okay. Your name is not. This is Khadija Qazi color box. Now Khadija wants, what is the length of these? What is the length of these sides and to find perimeter? And to find perimeter. Okay, now I'm giving you Khadija, this is 5 centimeter. Don't worry. Khadija, this is 3 centimeter. I have checked it. This is also 5 centimeter, Khadija, and this is 3 centimeter. Now, Khadija, can you tell me the perimeter? Zainab, look at the board only. Khadija, can you tell me the perimeter? Yes, you can tell me. Took this 5, then this plus 3, then plus 3, then plus this 5, then plus 3. Very good. Zainab, you can also unmute your mic and tell me the answer. Only Khadija and Zainab, because rest of the students are getting everything. Because Ali is quite intelligent. He got good marks all the time and he's getting marks every time. So he's quite intelligent, so he never writes it in the notebook. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16 centimeter. You have to write it like this, cm, chota cm, okay? In a small letters. Zainab, is it easy? No, is it not easy?
Ma'am, I just want to understand how do they do that.
Acha, acha. Ali, did you get it?
I know already. Centimeter.
Okay, very good. Ali knows already.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you hear me?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ashla ma'am, do you know Ali's favorite subject is maths?
Ma'am, but I really want to talk to you on this as well, because Ali never takes interest in his maths.
I'm just conveying this, that Ali's favorite subject is maths. And he loves...
Might be I'm not good at teaching him.
No. You are very good teacher and Ali is a very good boy. Yes, Ali? And he's very good at maths.
Yeah, he does math, and he already knows all the concepts of maths before I teach, because he already knows it. But the only thing is he really likes fun.
Yeah. Sometimes he gets distracted. I agree to you, Ashla ma'am, but he's very good at maths and I know he is going to write down everything. Ali, quickly, where is your book? I just want to see your book. And you scored also very well in maths, right, Ali?
Ma'am, time is up.
Yes.
Ma'am, time is up.
Yes, time is up. It's all right, Khatija. We'll just take 5 more minutes and Ashla ma'am is going to wind.
Yes.
Okay, so Ali, quickly note down whatever Ashla ma'am is teaching you. Come on, quickly. I want to see that, Ali. I know you are
Thank
very
you for
good.
this,
You are
ma'am.
very good in that.
Ma'am, why are you in fast mode?
I am in fast mode. Do I speak really fast, Zaina? Okay. From next time, I'm going to speak very, very slow. Okay?
Why? It's still fast.
I'm so sorry, Zaina. Ashla ma'am, you can continue the class and
Okay.
yeah, Ali is going to write now.
Thank you for this, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
Zainab, look at the board again. I'm telling you. One thing you are going to tell me. Firstly, you need to answer me. What you're not getting. Firstly, whose mic is unmute? I really want to know whose mic is unmute.
Mine.
Ali, wait 1 minute. I'm going to ask you a question on this, right? Okay, then you will know. Mute your mic till then, Ali. Mute your mic. Zainab, tell me. Zainab, tell me what you're not getting. Then I'll tell you.
How do they do this meter thing?
How will you measure this?
Yes, how do they measure it?
You don't need to measure it. You don't need to measure it.
Can I say? Can I say now?
Are you doing good? Anything like say, is this okay?
Yes, Zainab, speak. Yes, Zainab, speak.
That I don't understand. How do they do? How does it become 3? How does it become 5?
You don't need to know this. I'm going to give you all this. Every time I will show you. See, look at your pencil.
Yes.
Yes. I will show you this is 3 centimeter or this is 6 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. Then you can tell me 3 plus 2 is?
3 plus 2 is 5. 5. 3 plus
5.
2.
Okay. Again, I'm telling you. Look at this then. Again. This is a box. A small box.
I think
A
it is
Rubik
2.
cube. Do you have a Rubik cube like na? This is 3. This is 3. This is 3. This is 3. I give you everything. Now, can you tell me, Zana?
Symbiont.
3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 12.
Give me 5.
I have also
Yes. Easy?
Yes.
Yes. Ali, do you get it right?
Yes. I am
Musfira, I think Musfira Rizwan, Musfira Blue, come here, Musfira. Musfira Sayed, what are you doing? I think you're playing with the scale.
I have measuring tape on this measuring
Yes,
tape.
okay, you have a measuring tape and you also have a scale as well. Did everybody get it?
This is
Achha, that is not a
this is a
As
cardboard.
everybody get it?
I was just measuring with the measuring tape.
Listen. Tomorrow we will repeat it again. Okay?
Give me one.
That's good.
Give me one.
I think now I'll give you one more question. Ali, you will do it. Nobody will answer, only Ali will answer. Ali, this is for you.
Yeah, okay. Biscuit. I don't know. Biscuit is there or not.
Can you tell Ali?
What?
Everybody do it on your notebook, this one. Ali, can you do it? Do it for me.
6 plus 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Zainab, you also have to write it down in your notebook. I will ask the answer after Ali.
21.
Musfira Sayyed, you're playing with your ink tape, you're playing with your measuring tape, but you have to do it this on your notebook. So do it fast on your notebook. Do it fast. Where is Khadija? Khadija, are you doing it on your notebook? Yes, are you doing it? Yes, ma'am. Very good, Khadija.
Ma'am, 21.
Ali has told me this is 6 plus 7 plus 8 is 21. Can anybody tell is Ali right or wrong?
Ma'am, it's right.
Who told me it's right?
Zainab.
Very good, Zainab. Okay, Musfira, is it right? I think it is wrong. Is it right? Is Ali or Zainab right?
Wrong, ma'am. Wrong.
How Ali? How Musfira? What is your answer then? Tell me.
It was 6 plus 7.
6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 8 is?
13 plus 8 is just a minute.
Do it and check it to me. Tell me once. Khadija, what is your answer? Is Ali or Zainab right or wrong? Are the people right or wrong?
Ma'am, wait, I'm not. Yes, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
They are correct. According to you, they are correct. Okay, I'll take this. Let Khadija complete this question. Khadija, this is absolutely correct. You, Ali, Musfira, and Zainab is getting a star.
Musfira will not win my first. Musfira tell wrong.
Musfira think that if a teacher is saying that it is wrong, so Musfira also didn't check it properly, but she said it is wrong.
Yes, we should not tell that.
Yes, Ali was right. Zainab was also right. Okay, we will continue this topic tomorrow. Zainab, Zainab, can I talk to you? Zainab, is it okay? Is it easy peasy? Is it easy peasy, Zainab?
Yes.
Musfira Syed, can you stop playing with your inch tape and measuring tape? Musfira Syed. Look at Musfira. Look at everybody. Look at Musfira Syed. She's not listening. She's not listening to her teacher. She's still not listening to her teacher. What she is doing?
Mashallah, I see you so busy. you
See,
also
come.
know.
She has come so fast to talk to me. Musfira Syed, are you listening me? See, she is not listening to me. She is talking to somebody continuously.
My brother just called me.
So your brother just called you. Okay. What he was telling you?
Acha, oh, okay, mashallah. So you're going.
Nothing.
Nothing. He was telling you nothing, and you were talking to him. है ना? Wow. Khadija, did you get it? Khadija, is it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
We will do it tomorrow then.
Yes.
Chalo. Take care. We will take the class tomorrow. Ali, I want you to be more attentive in the class tomorrow. Ali, I want to talk to you.
Yes.
Will you be more attentive in the class tomorrow?
No.
What I will do if you won't study? I tell you, what do you want to be? Would you like to be a teacher? Would you like to be a doctor? Would you like to be an engineer? What would you like to be? An astronaut, a scientist? What do you want to be?
Doctor.
You like playing cricket? You like playing
No,
cricket,
I-
hockey?
Doctor.
You
Scientist
want to
and
be? Oh wow! Ali will definitely can become a doctor. And Zainab, what do you want to be? A princess?
I want to be Doctor and Sahia ma'am is a scientist. Scientist.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, we will see
I
our
don't know.
little scientist. I will talk to my little scientist tomorrow. Okay, Khadija, bye. Bye, Ali. Bye, Zainab. Bye, Musfira. Where is Musfira now? She's gone somewhere.
Yes, he's.
She, he, no, she.
She, no, she, no.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Remove pen.